Hey, good afternoon everybody. It's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams and to the E to the D over at MPD, coming at you from an undisclosed location in Central Florida. Yes, I'm in America. I'm in the United States of America. I'm in America. And in addition to gaining weight, I think I put on 7 pounds in about 3 weeks by eating calzones and pizzas and visiting family and seeing my folks. One of the things I do every year when I come to the United States is do some shopping. So that's what this video is basically going to be about. Most of my shopping is done on Amazon because I love Amazon. What I do is I activate Amazon Prime for 30 days and I take advantage of the 2-day shipping on that, and also eBay. I try to snipe auctions. I got some Samsung S7s that way and some other stuff. So without any further ado, let's talk about the things I got. Actually, the first thing, I actually got this last year, but this thing is so freaking awesome, I just got to mention this again. This is called a tactical sling bag. It goes over your shoulder like this, and it's an East-West RT525 tactical sling bag. It's made of this molly stuff. I don't know what this molly stuff is. It's some paramilitary material, but it's really convenient, and I use it literally every day. It's got a main compartment right here, in which you can actually fit a netbook, a computer, tabs, all that, tablets, all that stuff. And it's also got some smaller pockets on the top. It's got a water bottle thing, and it's really cool because you can have it on your back like this, and if you need to get it, you can sling it around, and you can get easy access to all of the pockets. What's best about this is on a plane ride, mess that up, it's considered a personal item. So you can have your carry-on and this as a personal item because it fits basically right under the seat in front of you. This is highly recommended. It only costs $25.30. A brief note, down in the video description box you're going to find links to all these items on Amazon. Keep in mind that those are affiliate links. So if you purchase through that, I'll get a small commission from Amazon. It won't cost you anything extra. So those are affiliate links. So this is the RT525. I highly recommend this. This thing is amazing. I use it every day. It's tough, it's durable. It's not pretty. It's like me, it's not pretty. It's not built for show, it's built for go, and it gets the job done. I highly recommend this if you're needing something to carry around in your day-to-day excursions, traveling around the Philippines. This is what you want. Next up, the next big item I purchased, and I highly recommend. This is the GoPro Hero 6. When I first came to the Philippines, I had a Hero 2. The Hero 2 was cool, but the technology has moved along in leaps and bounds, and nowadays it's all about the built-in stabilization. This thing has stabilization. It's not optical image stabilization, it's not mechanical stabilization, it's electronic stabilization, but it's amazing. My friend Brian actually had a GoPro Hero 6. I picked up a 3 Plus Silver last year, and I was okay with that. But after playing around with his Hero 6 and seeing the outputted stabilized footage, I was sold. I definitely had to get one of these. I'm actually filming this right now with a GoPro Hero 6. For some reason, Amazon sent me 2 GoPro Hero 6s, so I actually have to return this one. This one is unopened. It's also got a really cool LCD on the back. It's all touchscreen control. It's waterproof, and it's basic housing. You don't have to put it in a dedicated dive housing until you get to a certain depth. And it can shoot an incredible range of like 120 frames per second to 240 frames per second for doing slow motion, all that stuff. It's small, it's light, the stabilization is amazing. I highly recommend the GoPro Hero 6. It is the bomb. And it's also $399 over at Amazon, so check it out. Speaking of Brian, we went up to Mabini. Brian let me use his Polarized sunglasses. He's got some Ray-Ban sunglasses, the Wayfarers, and putting those on and comparing them to the $1, the 50 peso sunglasses that you get in the Philippines, it's day and night. The great thing about Polarized and real sunglasses, unlike the ones they sell in the Philippines, is they actually have ultraviolet protection built into them. The ones you get in the Philippines don't have ultraviolet protection. It causes your pupil to expand and extra light gets in your eyeball, and you don't want that because you won't have the ultraviolet protection. These are Toreg or Torege M292 aluminum magnesium polarized sunglasses. These are only $19.98 over at Amazon.com. Again, the affiliate link is down in the video description box, and they are amazing. They're pretty tough, they're durable, it's aluminum magnesium body. Polarization is really good on them. The build quality is excellent. I went through a bunch of sunglasses. I ordered, I'm not exaggerating, I ordered about 15 to 20 pairs of polarized sunglasses because Amazon's got a great return policy. And I took advantage of that. And I tried different ones on. Some didn't fit my face because I have a strange shape of my head. It's like mutated. So a lot of the sunglasses didn't fit right. But these seem to be okay. I like these. They cover a good part of my eyeball. And I'm definitely going to keep them. As a matter of fact, I got 2 pairs. Polarized M292. It's like an ME262 Messerschmitt. Highly recommended. It comes with a soft case, cleaning. It's got the little screwdriver, and it's got this really nice hard case. Highly recommended. Another thing I picked up, because the pair I picked up 3 years ago was fraying finally, is these are SoundMagic ES18 earbuds. It's nothing special. It's nothing fantastic. These are $14.99. Again, when I first bought these 3 years ago, I purchased about 5 or 6 different pairs of Sony, Panasonic earbuds. I was trying out different ones. They either were too tinny or they were too bass heavy. These are the perfect compromise and they sound amazing. I listen to music quite a bit, so I have like a discerning ear. I have bad eyesight, but I got really good hearing. And these SoundMagic ES18 earbuds are really good. And again, they're only freaking $14.99. Again, I bought 2 pairs because my other pair was all finally got frayed from sun damage and everything. And there's a short in the wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cans, these things, from my old pair, and I'm going to put them on a new harness when I go back to the Philippines. I'm going to go to one of those electronic shops that they can fix anything, give them a harness from another pair of headphones, and have them with the cans on that harness. Alright, so it seems like this video's gone a little long, so I'm actually going to break it into 2 parts. Stay tuned for the next installment of this stunning and groundbreaking series on my 2018 shopping spree.